Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. I'm just quickly putting on my gloves while I'm talking. Um, but the reason for that is because I went and got a heap of $10 notes to go and do a hunt through. And in the middle of the in the middle of the notes was all these, technically they're uncirculated notes, but they are out of an ATM. Um, they're relatively flat, other than where you see this seems to happen on all of the new notes, where the clear section is of the note. I'll just show you one of these circulated ones. It's hard to pick up. We've got the clear section there, and they tend to get a bit of a bow in them at that particular part of the note. So so these notes here, they're all. Well, I've had a quick little look at them. They're in a sort of a sequential order, so they're not. There are a couple missing in there, but I don't think I'll be keeping these ones. To be honest, there's probably about $200 or $300 there, and they're actually be a tough sell, to be honest. And I don't think you get much more than face value anyway. So for me, these will go back to the bank. But I just thought I'd show them to you. I will do some more research. That's why I'm wearing the gloves. But I think that these will probably just end up back in circulation, unless someone can tell me something different in the next day or so. But I'll put them aside for maybe a couple of days until you guys have had a chance to view this video. My thinking is they're going to go straight back to the bank. So I'll just get my gloves off and we'll go through the notes. If you have seen my video I just did the other day on $5 notes, we did a $5 note hunt. We're looking for similar, basically the same sort of special serial numbers. Now I've got my book here just in case we come across some older $10 notes. These notes all came into circulation in 2017, as we can see there. The first two letters are the prefix, and the first two numbers are the year that it was made. So 2017 is the first of the new generation of these particular designs, and hopefully there will be some. Yes, there are. There's a couple in there. Hopefully, of the old style $10 notes. I haven't gone through these, so we'll see what we can find. But we're looking for special serial numbers, essentially. So solid numbers where you've just got, if this was all sixes or all fives or zeros, that's something special. Radar notes that can be read from either side. So if you have a zero in the middle and you've got 163, 361, so it's read both ways. Low serial numbers, so if we had a 0000 and then maybe a 2-digit or 1-digit number would be really good. We'll soon see if there's anything worth holding on to and do some research on. But we'll get going with these notes. Now, did I explain? The first and last prefix for the 2017 notes is AA, and the last is EA. So that's they're the numbers we're also looking for, and we'll go through and hopefully we can find something of value. Nothing special there. It's EA we're looking for. So you can see that these notes are well and truly circulated. Even numbers that climb, so that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are good numbers to find. This looked like it was heading somewhere, but it's not anything special. What am I doing? So if this was, well, it's a little bit wrong, but 776655, maybe that would be something special. If this was all solid fours, that would be something special. You'd always have the 1-7 at the start, but there's nothing there. No. No. There's a lot more numbers on these new notes, so it actually gets harder to find something special. I'm going to make sure I do quite a few $20 hunts before the new notes come out, usually around September, because the old notes are still in circulation, so we've got a better chance of finding something special. So don't be surprised if you see me doing quite a few $20 hunts. Alright, so here's an AA17. So this is a first prefix. We do have a 666 in the middle of it, but other than that, there's nothing really special about the serial number. The condition is fairly well circulated. It's got plenty of creases, and the other side, nothing interesting going on there. There's no errors on it or anything like that. So based on what I had a look at before I started this video, I had a look online just to see what AAs and EAs were selling for. If they're in uncirculated condition, you can probably double your money and get close to $20. But in this kind of condition, it might be worth a couple of dollars more. But for me right now, it wouldn't be worth selling, just because there is so many uncirculated versions out there. So I would say that I don't think I have any other AA notes, but realistically, if I want to have a note, I would spend $20 and buy an uncirculated one rather than keeping this one. So I will put it aside for now, but realistically, I don't think I'll be keeping it. So this is our first of the older generation notes. So these ones finished. They actually finished printing these in 2015, but then the new notes came out in 2017. So no $10 notes in 2016. This is an AE07, so assuming that they started at, just move these out of the way, at AA, which they did, and they finished at GL. So AE is neither a first nor a last prefix number. So alright, we've got two in a row here. So we've got an AB08, which is obviously very close to AA, but we've got a 777 in the middle there and a 88, but AB is not going to be anything special either. Started at AA and finished at DF. So yeah, once again we've got nothing worth holding on to there. And we're back to the new style notes, and there's nothing special there. Same again. This would be nice if those were ones in the middle. That would be a fairly special note. But in this, nothing special. Alright, so we got a CM06. If I move this out of the way again, we started at AA and finished at GL for the 06 note. So once again, nothing special there. So we've got a few more notes to go. Another 2017. That's probably the lowest number we've come across tonight. 348,000. Got a 0 at the front, but nothing special. Plenty of nice solid 2s. If they're all 2s, those two there, oh, be something worth holding on to. But we just missed out by a bit there. What we got? There we are. And a BD17, so nothing special there. And one last one. And oh, we got 1, 2, 3. It's always nice to have 1, 2, 3. If it went on, it'd be quite nice, but no, nothing special. Well, no, nothing really special. It's got a 390903, but if the 9 and the 0 were around the other way, then we would have a radar note. But no, we don't have one with this particular one. Alright guys, well, we got close on a few notes, but unfortunately we only found the AA note, which is fairly well circulated. So in fact there'd be a lot of notes in here that would be a lot less circulated than this one. This is particularly bad, and these plastic notes really do hold their folds. Alright guys, I'll bring another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.